Good morning from Baltimore, and now that I walked through that whole harbor area so I could film a little bit of what's going on here, I don't exactly know where I am or how to get to the convention center. From our hotel, it's just a nice straight shot down there, but I took the long way, so hopefully that footage was worth it. So we are headed over to the Baltimore Convention Center. I don't know exactly what it's called, for the American Towman Exposition, one of the biggest towing shows of the year. And as I said in the last video, Collins Manufacturing invited me out here to be a guest at their booth and talk about their new 50th anniversary model of dolly, since I've been doing all the testing of it. So we're gonna head over to the show, definitely take a tour of the show and all the cool stuff that's around there, and then probably in a whole separate video we'll do an in-depth feature of that new 50th anniversary dolly that I've been testing for the last year and a half. But for now, let's get to the convention center and let's go check out what they got going on. It's quite literally called Baltimore Convention Center. I thought for sure it had like some fancy name or something, so let's go inside and check it out. There's a marching band. This is where you get all the stuff to break into cars. Looks like they sold a few of them. Warren winches. Should I show them the video? And over here we have the world's largest whoopee cushions. They even got a jumbo model. This is the NRC booth. They've got an 85-ton rotator here and an 85-ton rotator there. It's 170 tons they brought to the show. Impressive. So then this is the Miller booth, and they brought a 100-ton rotator here and a 75-ton rotator there. That's 175 tons. Sorry, NRC, you lose. But they got my colors right on the 100 tons, so I guess I can pick it up after the show. Oh look, these guys broke their bed. Oh, that sucks. It's not even a heavy car. And folded that thing right up. Oh, this poor guy ran over his winch cables. This is the new model quick detach wrecker. You don't even need any tools to switch back and forth. Just ratchet strap it to the bed. What is going on over here? You want to be on YouTube?
What's going on?
He's on my YouTube. What's your name?
Keandre, 3K Recovery and Transport. Listen, we got puppies too. We breed puppies.
Dude, these people love puppies.
All right, listen, we got Rottweilers. We got 5 bullies on the ground right now ready to go $4 grand.
Where you at?
We did Frenchies. Maryland, Aberdeen, Maryland. 443-915-3474. Follow me on IG at 3K Rottweiler Kennels and _ Repo Assassin.
So you repo and have puppies?
Yes, sir.
Dude,
right
you
here,
cannot beat that.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Right here, get it in there.
You can't beat that.
There we go. Put me in the appreciate it.
Well, yeah, have a good one.
You're getting ready to delete that video, ain't you?
I'm gonna use that. Are you kidding me? I'm absolutely gonna use that. Apparently they got a Ferris wheel here you can spin and win things. What is going on here? What? Seems like a terrible time to do an oil change, but they say never skip on maintenance day, so whatever. Hey, they got a band.
I ain't seen sunshine since I'm moving. I'm looking for the dream. And that rain keeps rolling on down the sand.
How bummed would you be if you came all the way to the tow show and then your truck broke down? That sucks. Oh, this guy too? Terrible. Look at this poor guy. The boom, broke in the middle. Only half of it came out. Crazy. And another one broke down. I think these tow trucks would be more reliable. I thought the boom was supposed to go out the back. This is for towing in reverse. Oh, it's red and white. Better call Jamie Davis. Good thing I got the triangles for the broke down truck. I feel like that's not gonna last. Oh, they got it running. Oh, good for them. Maybe they can come help this guy out. He broke down too. Terrible. Oh man, there's 2 more broke down over here. I wonder if there's enough good tow trucks here to tow all the broke down tow trucks away from the tow show. I hope so. Look at this one. The boom wouldn't fit in the building, so they just cut it in the middle. Oh, wild. I feel like these guys really missed an opportunity to put a little stick man head with a face on it up there. Now we're talking. I'm qualified to run that one. What in tarnation is going on here? How many tow truck drivers does it take to change oil? Now, I said no to a lot of things in my life, but I don't think I've ever no to anything as hard as I said no to that. Yo, they forgot the rest of the truck. What? Well, that ain't gonna work. That's not a tow truck. I do really like these colors, but they got the boom mounted all crooked, so I don't think it's gonna work. Those little kids over here changing tires. I don't think that's allowed. Look at this booth here. They're pirating my footage. Hey, you guys are supposed to be selling dollies, not on your phones.
Oh, hey, we just, yep.
I'm definitely showing this to your dad.
Taking pictures.
How's it going?
Good, good. How are things at the show?
There's a lot of stuff, and there's no way I can see it all. Yeah. What's this? Explain it quickly.
Go ahead, Jeremy.
On the spot now.
Yeah, this is our carrier dolly. It's used to, I guess it's a damage-free solution to get cars on and off of a rollback.
How?
So you can place one of these under each wheel. Expand it. Unlock it the necessary width. Once you get one of these under each wheel, use this just the same as the street dolly. Raise the vehicle. Place this across the front, and this is the universal connect.
And then what's that other cool thing that it does?
This also serves as a way to connect your motorcycles.
Sorry, it's gonna go on this side.
Yeah, it's only working that side.
Don't worry, I will so not edit that out. So from a car dolly to a motorcycle dolly in one shot.
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. If you have time to lean, you have time to clean.
760 pounds.
Busted. Look at this. They made a set of dollies for smart cars. Okay, we're kicked out of the show because it ended like a while ago and we're still here. So Curtis is struggling. He's gonna get kicked out by security in a minute. So we are heading out of here. That was a really good day, a lot of fun. I think we're gonna head to, are we going to dinner?
Yep.
We're going to dinner. Where are we going?
Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake Factory. Did we lose Curtis? Oh, there he is. All right, so that is gonna be it for this one. Tomorrow I fly back home and probably see you guys there.